And we're back, Mr. 3-Speeds, 2970. We got that mod limiter put back in. Still working on getting that MPC mod out, getting this diode and cut trace. And we got our Q55 transistor here. And we actually, I like that they make the transistor legs just long enough for at least this repair. As you can see, one of the traces was burned right off here when they ripped off this leg. There was nothing there, but these two had their snips, so someone must have went in there and ended up breaking that trace off at the same time. Just a little piece of hookup wire, and it's actually just enough to get us to where we need to go right there. And so we'll go ahead and get that soldered in place now, and then we'll take on that monster next and take a look over here at that as well. All right, fun, but not too bad. All right. And we're back with the keypad here. We're going to go ahead and get it a little bit brighter and whiter. Yeah, this is the original. So this thing here has been around for quite some time and 2 million miles in the vehicles. So let's get this back to a brighter white. All right, moving right along to this diode that's been removed, cleaned up a little bit. Of course, you can see when it was put in, a little cold solder joint, so we'll take care of that. And in the same process, we see, you know, broken connection there, and a solder blob, but still a broken connection. If we don't focus, come on, focus. Maybe, okay, there we go. So we'll be back after fixing a couple more of those things, and then the NPC mods next.